Welcome again to ASC Variety Vlogs, and today we will be doing an unboxing. Kung nakikita nyo, mayroon ako ditong box, and this is from the Philippines. And pasalubong po ito ng ating kaibigang Keneth Lansangan and kagapay ng ating kaibigang Vincent Mados Channel. And to Keneth and VMC, maraming salamat, and of course sa ating Keneth Lansangan, at talagang pinaghirapan niya itong dalhin. Pero hindi lang sinasabi kung ano yung nilalaman nito because this is a surprise for ES Variety Vlogs. And today bubuksan na nga natin, and I would like you all guys to keep an eye at alamin na natin kung anong nilalaman ng mahiwagang box na ito na talagang pinaghirapang bitbitin from Pampanga to Bangkok. And nandito na nga sa kamay ng ES Variety Vlogs, bubuksan natin. And dahil nasa biyahe ako, shout out sa ating Bayok Sky Hotel for allowing mo to borrow ng kanilang scissors. So, huwag natin patagalin ito. Ako mismo, excited din ako to open this box kung anong laman ito. And ito na nga. Atin ang bubuksan ng sabay-sabay at sana sabayan niya ako dyan. At alamin na natin kasi actually excited na ako talagang malaman ko. At talagang binalo pa. Pwede naman sana plastic o kaya ano yan, yung bag na kapag ka napunta ka ng ECM o kaya yung pang birthday na bag, yung ganun. Talagang pinalot. Oh, may nakita na ako. My God, it's really a surprise. And may nakita na ako dito nakadungaw. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan na nanonood. Just enjoy with the ES Variety Vlogs. It is unboxing of a gift from VMC and Keneth. So ito na nga, it's open already. And ang unang bumungad is a taran, it's a sombrero with the logo of ASC Variety Vlogs. So, oh my God, ang laki. Yan, so this is a hat with ESC Variety Vlogs. And then mayroon ditong ito naka-box. A box in a box. So ganun siya guys, a box in a box. And ano kaya to? Baka, guess what? I guess this is perfume. Or I guess this is parang alkansiya para makapag-ipon tayo at makauwi ng Pilipinas. Or I guess, anong hula nyo kaya? Buksan na nga natin, huwag na nating patagalin. And excited ako malaman anong laman ito. Huwag lang natin sirain ang box kasi baka mamaya there is a damage, so pwede pong maibalik. Anyway, Keneth is still in Bangkok. Nasa room pa niya kay Keneth. So, pagka may sira to, bigay natin ulit kay Keneth and then balik. Ganun, pwedeng ganun. Oh my God! So it's for my coffee every morning. So this is a white mug. And ito na siya guys. Just tapon muna doon. But ang nakaganda talaga nito, I really love this mug. And there is a YouTube logo of ESC Variety Vlogs. So kita nyo na yan, ano. So this is a personalized one. So ayan, ang ganda, di ba? So this is for my coffee every morning. Kasi alam kasi sila dalawa na I have coffee every morning and once lang naman. And it's a black coffee. And shout out sa Tommy dyan. Di ba? That's a mug. And then, oh, there is a block. Oh my God! This is a very surprise one. Talagang pinaghirapan nyo talagang pinag-isipan nyo on how you could surprise ES Variety Vlog. And surprise naman ako talaga. Shout out sa cellophane. Oh no! And the shirt is black. And again, there is a logo for ASC Variety Vlogs. So yan guys, ano? Gusto niyo ba isuot ko? Kung kasya. Press 1 sa gustong isukat ko to. Press 1. Kung gusto niyong sukatin ko to, press 1, bilis! Kasi baka mamaya hindi to kasya. At first time nyo makita ang ASC Variety Vlogs na maghubad on screen. Maghubad talaga, ano? Kala mo may karapatan. Pero, kasya, yes. Anong gusto nyo? Sukatin natin? Ready na ba kayo? Press 1. Sa gustong isukat ko to, press 1. Sige na, bilis! Oh, alamin natin kung kasya to. But thank you, really thank you. And I love this black shirt and maganda. Pero ang problema guys, you know, hindi ko kasi alam na may surprise sila. And then, nahiya ako kasi wala akong inihanda talaga. O kasi galing di ba akong biyahe, galing ako sa Ratcha, and then na Mundok, and then ganyan, biyahe ako all the time. So wala akong time na mag-isip. Wala akong talagang isip, ano. Huwag ka na rason i-ESC. So thank you for this shirt. A personalized one also with a logo of ESC Variety Vlogs. And then there is another one. Ito kailangan ng scissors again. And thank you sa nagpahiram. Kasi nakabalot inside the box. So, hindi umalis. Kailangan malalaman natin ng sabay-sabay if what's inside of this. Na kailangan talaga hindi mabasag, ano? Kasi ganun siya ka pulido ang pagkagawa at ginastusan pati packing tape. Ay. Oh. Ito talaga may mga cellophane pa nakasama na ang daming pinaghirapan ng gumawa eh. I think this is a Coca-Cola from the Philippines or maybe Pepsi Cola, RC. Kaya to. Tingnan natin. Ano na tingin nyo? Hula-hula kayo dyan sa baba. Hula. Ano kaya to? Katingin nyo. Ba't ganito ka? O baka plastic lang to lahat. What do you think is this one inside? Oh no, nakita ko na at laman. And this is... Wala yung pang birthday ko, ba't may ganito na? Paandar kayo ah. This is... Alfonso. This is Alfonso for ESC Variety Vlogs. And then, what it says? Alfonso 1 Light Alcohol. Imported. Ooh. Dito pwedeng inumin kapag walang kasama. So, maybe I'll just take it home and then get ready for this one on my birthday. Kung mag-birthday man ako dito sa Thailand, but I'm planning kasi not to have a birthday here. So maybe one of these days. And thank you again for this. I never tried pa kasi this one. So usually kapag makasama ko mga cousins ko, kapag umuwi ako, nasa ano lang, kapag mga kabarkada ko nasa Pondador Light, yung mga ganon, kasi mas cheaper siya, di ba? And then yung mga ibang dati, Tanduay, gano'n, nung mga lasinggo pa. Pero nagbagong buhay na ESC Variety Vlogs. So nandoon na lang sa Pondador Light. So okay na. But long time ago na hindi ako nakainom kasi nakakainom lang ako occasionally, especially with my cousins in the Philippines. Shout out kay Kiki at Romel and then the rest of the gang sa family, laman ng toto. And then of course with my close friends. Kasi ESC Variety Vlogs now is like trying to avoid drinking too much and basta, wag nang pabayin, occasional na lang. Ang problema, if may occasion every day, so that's the problem. So now, I have this one. Matikman na din kung ano itong pinagmamalaking Pilipinas na Alfonso. Bakit may 1? May Alfonso 2 ba? May Alfonso 3? Paki-comment down below if there is Alfonso 2, Alfonso 3, Alfonso 4. Kasi dyan ako nag-wonder bakit may Alfonso 1. And thank you again sa nagbigay nito. And then there is the last one in the box. And it is red in color. So itabi na muna natin yung box. At dyan na lang para takip ng tiyan. So this is red in color. Oh! Alam niyo na anong laman. So this will be shout out Bongbong Marcos and Sara Duterte. He's running now for the President and Vice Presidency of the Republic of the Philippines. So this is the back portion at kasya din nata. So gusto niyo ba isukat natin ulit? Press 1 kayo dyan sa gusto natin itong isukat at sa yung vlog with AES Variety Vlogs logo. Shout out kayo dyan. Press 1, press 1, press 1. Gusto niyo? Press 1. Okay, thank you everyone for watching, and that's inside the box na binigay ng ating Keneth Lansangan and Vincent Madas channel. And thank you for both of you guys for having that effort naman to think of how could you surprise ES Variety Vlogs, and I can feel the love from you, and thank you really so much. And to all my friends, shout out sa aking mga kaibigan dyan, YT friends, my family. See you this year hopefully. I could go home because I'm really planning to have my vacation this year. And kita-kits! Oh, wait. O, di ba? Kasya yung shirt. So, actually, may space pa. So, pwede pa makapasok si Kate Madhos. Shout out, Kate. Pwede pa. Kahinga pa si AES. So, thank you again. It's a beautiful one. And I love the color as it's black. Plus, especially the design. And thank you. Oh! Diba? Alongs na this. So, thank you for the donor of this shirt. Shout out to my green pa kayo dyan. You can give me the green also. And kasya pa. May space pa naman. So, thank you really so much for the blessings, and basta babawi ako sa inyo guys, babawi ako time will come, and thank you really for the effort. Thank you sa pagbitbit talaga nito na alam nyo, mahirap kasi magbiyahe sa aeroplano especially kung marami kang mga bit-bit but Keneth was there, talagang pinaghirapan na bit-bitin. Kalimutan ko nga lang, ang papadala ko talaga sana is a globe SIM pack para magkaroon ako ng GCash here in Thailand. So, kung sino gusto magpapadala dyan ng regalo for ES Variety Vlogs, I'll be very happy for a GCash. Not a GCash, it's a globe SIM pack. So, yun nakalimutan ko talagang ipapadala. And thank you again guys for watching ES Variety Vlogs.